Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea using Lipton tea bags. Start by boiling water, then remove from heat before adding tea bags to avoid bitterness. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on strength preference, then sweeten while warm if desired. Transfer to a pitcher and cool rapidly with an ice bath or a few ice cubes. Serve over fresh ice and garnish with lemon or mint for a bright finish. For reliably great iced tea, start with quality water and precise steeping times. Heat water to near boiling, but remove from heat before adding tea bags to prevent bitterness. Steep 3 to 5 minutes and taste 1 minute before removing bags. If sweetening, use simple syrup to avoid undissolved sugar in cold tea. Rapid cooling locks in brightness, so chill in an ice bath or refrigerate immediately for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are perfect for storing iced tea or packing a lunch without spills, and they save fridge space and cleanup time. I use them to portion concentrate and ice separately for fast serving. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Experimenting with flavors keeps iced tea interesting and approachable. Try adding lemon slices or a splash of lemon juice for a crisp lift, or muddle fresh mint for a cooling herbal note. For a smoother cup, blend half-brewed black tea with half-brewed green tea to balance tannins and sweetness. You can also stir in fruit puree or a few drops of vanilla for a dessert-style pitcher that everyone will enjoy at gatherings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.